How to block email address on Yahoo. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. The first step is obviously you need to log into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you are in the home page of Yahoo, you'll be able to see this interface where there are inbox and all of your mails. So in order to block email address, you need to first click on settings option in the right upper corner. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see the various options. You have to go for more settings. Under more settings, you'll be able to see many settings. Among them, in the left hand side, there is a security and privacy option. Simply click on that. And under that, there is a blocked addresses and block unwanted center domains option. So in order to block email address, you can simply add them over here. For that, simply click on add option. And you can type an email address that you want to block over here, and after clicking, simply click on save, and by doing that, the email address will be blocked. Then you won't be able to receive any mail from them. So this is how you block an email address on Yahoo. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.